Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, today we are talking about Upabi Cooper. You know, one thing about Upabi Cooper, she doesn't usually trend for the wrong reasons. So Upabi Cooper has been in relationship with a Focalistic for like, I don't know, but it's been years, maybe 3, 4, 5 years. But they've been in a relationship trying to keep their things private. So she was on this gig doing an interview with this guy. And then suddenly this guy is telling Upabi Cooper how, yes, I was talking to Focalistic, your boyfriend. Focalistic is saying that his types is Zulu girls. He really likes Zulu girls. And then Upabi Cooper was so shocked. She was like, hey Bonjani, this guy is saying that he likes Zulu girls while I'm his partner and I'm Pedi. I'm not even Zulu. Guys, her whole mood changed. I will include the video so that you guys can just see and hear the voice. Her whole mood changed, Sana. How can you be with me for such a long time and then now you come and tell me that I'm not your type? Okay, not tell me, but telling the people that you like Zulu girls, knowing very well that your ex is Zulu, because ex Focalistic Deben Gogo, which is a Zulu, and I am a Pedi, and I'm finding out, you know, through people that you like Zulu girls, like you guys, men will be the death of us, shame. Like men will be the death of us. And I saw comments, people saying, "Good, this is just grounds for a breakup, Sana. It's non-negotiable. Why are you with me if I'm not your type? Like why?" Here's the video, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section.
ne ke bua le focus Zulu so ha ba tle re bua Zulu ka interview ya rena
wena o mozulu mos
mara ke ra zama cause ne ke mo gore why ile two spin jikeletse why a sa re two spin dikoloha or this spin dryer wa bona a ba re no o rata banyana ba mazulu ba bantle e be ke re a re bua
are
Zulu
o rata banyana ba mazulu
ya a re ba bantle don't be like that.
ke mopedi by the way mara a e tshwenye ya a ke nya go lo bolela zulu ke sharp.
Okay, it's fine. When are you releasing? What can your fans or followers expect from you anytime soon?
I'm gonna be releasing some music very soon. It's gonna be exciting. I don't want to give out a lot because it's basically gonna be part of my rollout. So yeah, I'm excited for what's next. Yeah.
Okay, no, are you working on something now?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're in September.
O tlile bjang?
I guess I'm exclusive. But anyway, Pabi Jo, we are here.